Welcome to our matchstick fries recipe. Get ready to elevate your snacking game with this mouth-watering delight. Take long-sized potatoes. These elongated wonders hold the key to achieving perfectly cut matchstick fries. With precision and finesse, cut the potatoes into thin, oval-shaped slices. Then, transform these potato slices into slender matchstick-style strips. Soak the potato matchsticks in water for 30 minutes to remove excess starch. After soaking, drain the potatoes and transfer the matchstick potatoes to a bowl. Add a quarter cup of corn flour and mix well, ensuring that every matchstick is evenly coated. Allow the coated matchsticks to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period allows the corn flour to adhere to the potatoes, resulting in a crispy exterior. Then, carefully place the coated potato matchsticks into the hot oil, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown color and become irresistibly crispy. Once cooked to perfection, carefully remove the matchstick fries from the hot oil. Your deliciously crispy and golden matchstick fries, ready to be enjoyed. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking with the food recipes.